Very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the YouTube channel H2O Chemistry. I am Satya Narayanan, your chemistry teacher. Chemistry is very simple, very easy subject. If you learn, understand the concepts and words, use it whenever it is applied. That's all. You will find chemistry is so simple. With that, I'm going to start the topic called molecule from the 10th portion, atoms and molecules. So before we learn this word, we should know some of the other words. Those are atoms, elements, molecules and compounds. Let us go to the first one, atom. We know many things about atom. Atom is a very small particle. In fact, the word atom comes from the word called atomas. It's a Latin word which means incapability of being cut. But after the discovery of electrons, protons and neutrons, it is a divisible particle now. What is one more thing you know about atom? It is a fundamental particle of all the matter. As I said earlier, atom is the smallest particle that takes part in chemical reaction. Actually, the electron present in an atom takes part in the chemical reaction. In what kind of electrons? The last shell electrons. The electron present in the last shell take part in the chemical reaction. So, atoms takes part in the chemical reactions. Let's go to the next one called elements. Elements is made up of similar kind of atoms, or element consists of similar kind of atoms. Let us take an example of gold bar. The gold bar is made up of mainly gold atoms, so the whole bar can be called as gold element. Similarly, hydrogen element consists of hydrogen atoms. Gold element consists of gold atoms. Iron element consists of iron atoms. A tungsten element consists of tungsten atoms. A copper wire. The copper wire, if it consists of only copper atoms, I can call that copper wire as a copper element. So what do you understand? An element is made up of similar kind of atoms. Totally, there are 118 elements known in our earth crust. Still further discoveries are going on. They further classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. We will study about more in your higher classes. Now, what is a molecule? Is actually this word come from the word called compound atom, which is given by John Dalton. Let us know about this molecule. A molecule is a combination of two or more atoms. The atoms may be a similar kind of atom or different kind of atoms, combines together by a strong force of attraction, which we call a chemical bond. So let's take oxygen and oxygen chemically combine to form O2. That's we call molecule. Hydrogen, oxygen combines to form water. So a molecule is a combination of two or more same kind of atom or different kind of atoms held together by a strong force of attraction we call chemical bond. In your lower class, we have studied the chemical bonds are further classified into ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond. You know very well, ionic bond means transfer of electron takes place from metal to a non-metal, whereas covalent bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons between equal electronegativity element or between non-metals. Coordinate covalent bond, in this category both the shared pair of electrons, both the bonding pair of electron come from a single atom, in which one is donor, another one is acceptor. So except the atom of noble gases, all the other atoms are found in a combined state. What are the noble gases? Yes, group 18 elements are called as noble gases. Some of the examples are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, Og, ognozone. These elements exist as a single atom, whereas all the other elements, mostly they exist as molecules. What we breathe? Oxygen, everyone say, but as a chemist I'll say we breathe oxygen molecule, not oxygen atom, because a single oxygen atom is unstable. It has a incomplete valence shell, so it immediately combines with one more oxygen so that the valence shell will be completed, so it forms an oxygen molecule. It is energetically more stable than the oxygen atom. So what we breathe oxygen molecule. We say O2. Example number 2, carbon dioxide, CO2. One carbon atom combines with two oxygen atoms to form carbon dioxide. Similarly, ammonia molecules. In all these things, what you have understood? Two similar atoms or two different atoms combines to form a molecule. That's what we have learned. By a force of attraction, this bond we call is a force of attraction. In that, it's like a glue, I can say. Now, further question arises: why do this oxygen atom combines with this oxygen atom? That's what we're going to learn as the next topic. Why do atom combines together form a molecule? According to Kozel-Lewis approach, noble gases have their last shell electron completely filled. So the last shell of the noble gas is completely filled. So they are very stable. They do have 2 electrons or 8 electrons in the last shell. So they become more stable. They are chemically inert. So according to this concept. So all the other atoms have either excess of electron or short of electron in the last shell when compared to noble gas electronic configuration. So when they combine together, when the atoms combines together, they fill their last shell. So or else they attain the configuration of noble gases. So what it does, in order to make the last shell filled, it combines to make molecules as per Kozel-Lewis approach. One more word I want to specifically say here: molecule. The molecule combined always in a fixed ratio. This is accordance with the law of definite proportion. So if any two atom combines, they always combine in a fixed ratio by mass. Let us go to the next topic called type of molecules. Generally there are two type of molecules. One is a molecule of an element, another one is molecule of a compound. If you come across the element, you know very well that it is made up of similar kind of atoms. So this molecule is made up of similar kind of atom. Then what is the other one? It is simple. Compound means two different kind of atom combined. The molecule of an element, otherwise called as homoatomic molecule. What do you mean by homo? Homo means similar. Similar atoms combines to form a molecule. That's the reason it is called homoatomic molecule, otherwise called molecule of an element. That is called molecule of a compound. They are called heteroatomic molecules. What do you mean by hetero? Hetero means different. Different atoms combines to make molecule. That's the reason we call it as a heteroatomic molecule or molecule of a compound. I said the answer. What is molecule of an element? The molecule of an element is made up of similar kind of atom. Molecule of a compound is what? A molecule of a compound is made up of different kind of atoms held together by a strong force of attraction we call chemical bond. Now, same kind of atom or similar kind of atom. Let us come to the example. Hydrogen molecule H2. So two hydrogen atom combined with a single covalent bond we call hydrogen molecule. Similarly, N2. Two nitrogen atoms similar kind both are. This is nitrogen, this is also nitrogen combined to form nitrogen molecule. They are combined with the three covalent bonds. Similarly, chlorine atom, chlorine molecule Cl2, oxygen molecule O2. So one oxygen molecule combines with another oxygen molecule by two covalent bonds, forming an O2 oxygen molecule, fulfilling their last shell. So by that both the atoms have 8 electrons on the last shell. Similarly, ozone molecule O3, P4 phosphorus molecule, and S8 sulfur molecule. And other examples are sulfur, other examples are bromine, nitrogen, iodine, fluorine, etc. Come to the next category, that is a molecule of a compound. You know very well, this is H2O, dihydrogen oxide, we call water molecule. So this is made up of two different kind of atoms, oxygen, hydrogen. So two different kind of atoms combine to make molecule, that is called molecule of a compound. Other example, carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen, two different atoms. Ammonia molecule, nitrogen and hydrogen combined. Then Hi, hydrogen iodide molecule. Then methane, CH4, two different kind of atom bonded. Not only this, the glucose molecule, carbohydrate, it comes under carbohydrate, C6H12O6, three different kind of atom combines to make molecule of a compound. Other example, carbon monoxide, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, calcium carbonate, magnesium oxide, etc. In our leveling system too, most of the molecules are compounds. Only few molecules are elements. So with this I close today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. You will find chemistry is so simple. Thank you.